If you're watching this video, then you're looking for small business social media marketing tips, and that's exactly what I'm going to share with you here right now. Now, maybe at the moment you're not getting enough quality leads from the internet, or maybe you do get leads, but they're not the type of people that ideally you'd like to work with. You know, the ones that they ultimately haggle on price, they don't pay you on time, they're just difficult to work with. Now, you can change all of that very, very quickly. Now, why should you listen to me? My name's James Nicholson, and I've generated over £20 million in online sales. And I've documented exactly how I've done that, and I share that with entrepreneurs and business owners just like you, so you can do the same in your business. Now, generating sales and leads with social media is very easy when you know how. But most business owners, 99% of people that do social media, do it wrong. And what they do is they try to get married on a first date. They try to get people to buy their product or service straight away. And ultimately what that does is pushes people away. It's less effective than not being there whatsoever at all. It can be very damaging for your business. And by doing that, you're really depositioned in your marketplace, and that's not a good place to be in. So, how do you do it the right way? What you need to do is you need to start with value first. You need to give content online. Now, the content is there to position you as an expert, so people know you, they like you, and they trust you. Content can be things like this, video. This is a content video right now. And doing tips and strategies and things like that about your marketplace will get it so people start to build that rapport with you. They get value from you, they trust you, and ultimately they're going to be the ones that come to you when they're ready to buy your product or service. Now, you could also use podcasts, you could do blog content, there's various other types of content that you could do, and ultimately you need to pick the one that you enjoy most, the one that you're going to get out first, because what really matters over any of this is that you just get something out to your marketplace. Don't think about it and overthink it, just put something out to the marketplace that's useful, and ultimately that will build a list of people. Now, what happens is Facebook, Google, YouTube, all these other channels, you can create a list of people that have watched your content, clicked on your blog, listened to your podcast, or whatever it is that you do, and we can follow those people around with the next step to get them to be a lead. We can follow those people around with guides, reports, discount vouchers, things that they can opt in for that ultimately make them a lead into your business. That is the secret to social media online. Now, I have documented all the social media strategies that have worked in my businesses over the years, and I want to give you those for free. So around this video, above or below, is a free guide. Click on that link, fill your name and email in, and you get that guide in seconds, guys, and that really will make a difference to you guys moving forward. So do that right now, click on that link, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.